Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. To keep our heart healthy, we must change our lifestyle by including fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, etc. And we should avoid salty meats such as sausage, horns, hot dogs, etc. And we should also avoid oily foods.
We can keep our heart healthy by eating red meat such as ham, hot dogs, sausage and oily foods like fries, nuggets and etc. By eating legumes, fruits, vegetables and whole grains, our body will not get the required proteins and we cannot keep our heart healthy.
Every day we should produce 500 kilocalories in our daily diet, which will help about an average weight loss of approximately half to 1 kilogram in a week. If a person is overweight, then it is a natural that his or her heart will be weak.
It is not required to limitize our food or reduce color, as by doing so we will become weak. One should always eat as much as possible on a day-to-day life to keep one's heart healthy.
I would like to clear that it is scientifically proven that increasing regular physical activities to at least 2.5 hours per week will improve blood pressure, improve the level of cholesterol and other blood lipids and controls weight. Adults are recommended to perform at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity.
Contrary to what my beloved friend says, in the recent studies it is proved that due to increased physical activities and blood pressure increases, and that has led to the death of individuals.
I will totally disagree my friend's statement. Physical activities like this, walking, climbing or doing household chores, which can result in mild increase of heart rate spread throughout the week.
When talking about doing physical activities like household chores, there are increased risk factors of a person getting weak, resulting in loss of good fat from the body, which leads to multiple issues in human body like headaches, irritability, fatigue, etc.
The important change that we should bring in our daily life routine is we should stop using tobacco and smoking. Using tobacco and smoking is harmful to our heart and it is considered as haram in our Islam. Quitting tobacco use and smoking is a big gift of health we can give our heart. Most of the times we have heard the smoking causes and lungs, but appear the recent study in Nicotex. In the critical causes a immediate sense of relaxation that brings down our stress level, and inversely when the stress level goes down our heart remains healthy.
Alcohol consumption has linked to more than 200 disease and injury conditions including cardiovascular diseases. There is no safe level for drinking alcohol, so it is better to avoid drinking alcohol altogether to protect the heart.
It will be wrong to say that drinking alcohol is not safe and leads to heart diseases, because drinking alcohol reduces the risks of developing and dying of heart diseases. When consumed moderately, moderate drinking of alcohol also reduces the risk of ischemic stroke. Alcohol has necessary bacteria that promotes digestion in the human body.
I would like to add that one should get enough sleep and rest to keep the heart healthy. If there is no good rest habits, no matter how old he or she are, medical and family history, they are more likely to suffer from cardiovascular disease. It is better to make our bedtime a priority should get 7 by 8 hours of sleep each night.
I completely disagree with my beloved friend that sleeping for 7 to 8 hours is healthy for heart, because the minimum sleep required for an individual is approximately 5 to 6 hours, and it is scientifically proven that oversleeping leads to many health issues like type 2 diabetes, obesity, depression, and other health disorders.
Sitting for a long time has it is short list. Sitting for a long time has every adverse effect on health. Should use stairs. Instead of using elevators. Choose to the Sitting for a long time has very adverse effects on health. Should use stairs instead of using elevators, and choose to walk to the place that have very short distance instead of using your car or scooter.
I really don't agree with my friend. As per my research, indulging oneself in long physical activities and standing for a couple of hours, assuming that it reduces your risk of heart attack, says that the people who do not sit carrying proper posture will face issues like sore feet, swelling of the legs, varicose veins, lower back pain, stiffness in the neck, and other health problems. We know that making change to our lifestyle is not easy at all. It is essential to spend quality time with those close to you. It is good for your emotional health and health.
Instantly disagree with my friends that spending time with my loved ones improving my health. I would rather prefer having more of my time